In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Shop app. First of all, launch Open Shop application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Shop application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, tap on this option Get Started that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of Shop app. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your email address. Tap on the field of email. Now provide your email address over here. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the code will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is open the Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Shop has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code, or you can also long press on this code and tap on the copy option in order to copy it. After you do that, go back to the Shop application. Now enter that code over here or paste the code from the clipboard. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So like this you'll be able to log in the Shop app. So that is how you log in Shop app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.